How to make your WordPress website faster. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you some steps that you can take, and it's going to pretty much make your WordPress load faster and become just snappy instead of, your laggy kind of WordPress website that you have. So let's just go and get started. First thing I would do is I would actually go to from my WordPress main menu. I'm just going to scroll down until we find plugins and click on installed plugins. Now, if you've been using WordPress for a while now, you may have a lot of plugins installed, and maybe, just maybe, you have a few that you're not actually using, but you still have them in here. So you'll need to go through your plugins, make sure you uninstall anything that you're not using anymore. So for example, let's say I'm not using MailChimp at this point. I'm just going to click on deactivate, and obviously you can just select multiple if you wanted to do that, process a lot easier. So once you deactivate any plugin, it's going to have the option to delete it. So just make sure to clear up the plugins that you're not using. It's going to slow down your site for no reason at all. So make sure you remove them. Now the next step is kind of, the opposite of what I just said, but we're going to be installing some other plugins, but here, these plugins are actually going to help boost our site, not slow it down. So there's a difference. So what we need to do is just go to the plugins section again, but this time click on add plugin. Obviously, after we have cleared all the different ones that you are not using. So just click on add plugin. So we're going to be searching for Lightspeed Cache. It's this one right here. It's just going to make your website a lot faster. You'll need to just set it up real quick. So I'm just going to click on install now and show you the process really quickly. So simply just click on activate once it's done installing, and then simply just going to take you to this page. You just want to scroll down, find it, click on settings. So these are going to be the settings. Normally it's going to look something like this. I mean, the most important ones really is going to be enable cache is turned on. The cache REST API should also be on, and also cache login page. And if you have, users and stuff, also this one. So just click on save changes and you're good to go. So next up, we need to optimize the images that we have on our site. So we're also going to install another plugin here. So we just click on add plugin and search for Smush. So you will need to install this one right here, Smush Image Optimization. Click on install now. All you need to do, I'm not going to show you the process, but all you need to do after you install it, activate it and just bulk smush images. And that's just going to do the whole process for you. Just wait for it to load and you're good to go. Lastly, we're just going to install WP Optimize and just click on install now. We're going to do a simple thing with it and we should be done with the whole thing. If you do all these steps, you should noticeably see that your site is going to be a lot faster now. So just go and install this WP-Optimize, and again just click on activate once it's done. So once you install it, simply just scroll down until you find it and click on optimize. Just go and skip through until you get to this page. Select all the clean options and also the remove spam and trashed comments, and click on run all selected optimizations. And that would be the last step for me in this video to speed up your site. So hopefully this is going to show great results for you, and hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.